everyone, I'm Janricky Suldan. This video will teach you the proper way to install an application. First, we go in the Microsoft Store and choose the application and we choose Netflix and wait for the downloading. And that's we open and that's it. Keep on watching.